Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook mixed vegetables. First, let's talk preparation. Begin by selecting a vibrant mix of fresh vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots. Wash them thoroughly and chop them into uniform, bite-sized pieces, aiming for about 1-inch cubes or florets. This ensures everything cooks evenly. Finally, have your preferred cooking oil, salt, pepper, and any other seasonings ready to go. Now, let's explore cooking methods. Sautéing is quick. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large pan over medium-high heat, then cook your veggies for about 8 minutes until tender crisp. For roasting, toss vegetables with oil and seasonings, then bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Steaming is another excellent choice, cooking vegetables in a steamer basket for 5 to 7 minutes until just tender. Seasoning is key to delicious mixed vegetables. Start with the basics: a generous pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and perhaps a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Don't be afraid to experiment with fresh herbs like chopped parsley or thyme, adding them in the last few minutes of cooking. For a bright finish, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a dash of your favorite vinegar can truly elevate the flavors. Finally, let's talk about serving. Your perfectly cooked mixed vegetables are fantastic as a standalone side dish, adding color and nutrition to any meal. They also make a wonderful addition to pasta, rice bowls, or even a quick stir-fry, boosting both flavor and texture. For an extra touch, consider garnishing with some fresh herbs, a sprinkle of toasted nuts, or a dash of your favorite cheese. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.